I came to see Dr. Donat to fix my teeth, and I was hoping for a younger mouth, and I'm so impressed by his expertise and diligence, and I was really well taken care of, and I have a mouth now and a smile that's 20 years younger, absolutely. So I'm very appreciative. Well, I think I was just expecting maybe things to be fixed up rather than completely new mouth and a whole younger look. So now I have like a whole better functioning and better looking mouth too. That'll last probably for as long as I need them to last. Well, I had to have surgery that made a cut in the top of my mouth, and I thought it would probably leave a line, but it completely healed, and I really healed well from all the surgery, and just feel stronger in my whole, mouth, and even, my whole cranium now is going to be healthier, and I know that. I can feel it too, so that's very exciting, and it's just healthier. Well, I did put a lot of effort to come here because I live far away, but I know it was totally worth it. I feel like it was a good investment, and I feel like I'm gonna miss Dr. Donat and all his crew.
Can you recommend us?
Absolutely, I already have, and I will continue. I recommend him highly. I think it's worth the trip and the effort if you live far away, and you'll be very well taken care of. And I actually got extra care because I have a little bit of a sensitive heart, and I appreciate that so much.
Good people.
Yeah, thank you. It's worth the effort, and your health is worth it the most, and you'll have your health very taken care of at Dr. Donat's office. Yeah.
Thank you so much.